learn things that that you was supposed to be there to teach me.
I
You
apologize.
don't
I
you
could
don't
take
understand.
accountability.
This is controversial, but I'm on the side of the parents. I understand how they are feeling, where they're coming from. They're doing the best that they can with the skills and the tools and knowledge that they have. Although they completely invalidated and hurt their kid in that moment, I believe that they don't have the understanding of how to be a better parent, and they have all kinds of shame and frustrations and things that they've dealt with growing up that they've never got support with, and so they pass it on to their kid because if they knew better, then they would do better in that moment. I understand that. I think that that's true. And I've applied this to my own family. And I found that, well, if I go out there and get the knowledge and resources and share them with my family and tell them how to treat me, they have picked up on it and they do create the same space for me. So if you're a person who understands what I just said and is interested in creating those meaningful connections with your family, follow me. I have wonderful tips for you. You can do that with everybody in your life.